beep, beep. Beep, beep. That's what you say in a car. Yeah. Yeah, wave hi. Yeah. Oh. There it is. It's time to go forward again. Come here. Nope, stay on. Come here, Mom. I'll help. Hold on. Okay, your turn. Your turn. Kaylin, can you wave hi? Can you wave hi? Hi. Yeah, you're doing so good. Can you say yay? Say yay. What a big girl. Okay. Say bye-bye. Kaylin, say bye-bye. Oh, you're not big enough to get off by yourself yet. Say bye-bye. Kaylin. Kaylin. Chica. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.